Hey guys, this is Alan from Robotics. This is our USB 3.2 active optical cable with USB Type-A male to USB Type-C with secure locking screws. This cable is mainly designed for the factory automation and machine vision applications where reliable connection matters. And here we are conducting the swing test to simulate the vibration repeated bending in the actual application. As you can see, we conduct 20,000 times repeated swing. After the test, we will test the cable, see if any performance influence. After the 20,000 times swing test, this cable still performs well. If you want a reliable connection, welcome to contact us.